Hey, what up traders, welcome back to weekly Forex analysis. My name is George, and in this video we're going to be analyzing Euro against US dollar followed by British pounds against Japanese yen. This is for the following week from the 27th to 31st of July. So without further ado, let's jump in and start analyzing the charts. Okay, we're starting with the Euro against US dollar with a monthly time frame first, and we're going to drill down to shorter time frames and analyze each time frame one by one. So we have this nice monthly trend line. Looks like that the price is looking to kind of break this trend line. However, this is not confirmed yet until this monthly time frame is closed, which still has one more week. But the way it's looking now, it does looking pretty strong, so there's a good chance that the price will break this trend line. It's been going up for a very long time, and it looks like price might break this level, which I'm actually looking. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Last few weeks has been pretty quiet, pretty dead, and I've been also very busy, so I have not really taken much trades or any trades, if honest, but I've been looking at this one for this week, especially Euro dollar. I've been looking at this to get onto, I'm pretty sure I was looking at this one somewhere around down here if I'm not mistaken, but just the market did not work out, did not set up for me to get onto the long side. I will check it on a daily time frame, which is going to be more clear. I can't remember where exactly that entry was. Okay, so on a weekly time frame, it does look like the price has broken this trend line, but we still need a monthly confirmation to confirm that the price has broken this trend line. Okay, so what I'm looking at the moment, I'm looking for the good swing potentials. I know the price hasn't broken the monthly trend line, and he still has this 1 week to go, but the way looking now on a weekly time frame, I'm really happy how it is looking on the weekly time frame. So if it's gonna have a little retracement, and ideally it will come down and test this this trend line, this monthly trend line, and also the weekly trend line, I will be looking to get onto the long side and most likely gonna hold this position for a very long time, and hopefully it's gonna make its way up to pretty high. So the reason why I'm looking for this area is we have a lot of price action going on in here. If you can see, let me draw these areas around this area up here, loads of price action going on, and we also have this trend line, so it's a decent, a very good support level. So if the price makes its way down there, then I'll definitely take the trade. So this area is around, let's have a look properly, something around, it was quite far down actually, let me see. So yeah, it's probably going to take a week if the price even decides to come down around that levels. Most likely I will be getting into bit early, about 115.80 to 90 zone. So it's about 60 pips further down. So next we're going to see if the first how it's going to open, and then if it's going to decide to come down around this level, that will be good. The stop's going to be around down to somewhere down to this level. Obviously I can't really say it for sure now because it's still far away, and it might do some other stuff, and then I need to reanalyze, and it might change a bit. So that's why if you want to get the more accurate trading levels, then make sure to join our Discord channel, which is free, and the link is in the description. So let's jump into the daily time frame, see what we have on a daily time frame. So daily time frame is just reflecting the same thing what is on a weekly, just looking pretty strong towards upside. So I do like the way it's looking right now, and not much to discuss in here in terms of the where the price is going, because it's very obvious it's going up. So, and we discussed on a weekly and monthly time frame, it looking very good. Most likely I'm going to be taking the trades in terms of the entry. I will be taking based on a daily time frame. Sometimes I do it on a 4-hour time frame, however unlikely in this case, more like the daily time frame. But again, if as I said, if you want to get more accurate entry levels, and when I take this trade, I do post it on a Discord channel. So that is on a waiting game, and we're gonna see how it's gonna work out for the next week. And we continue with the British pounds against Japanese yen from the monthly time frame. So just by the way, looking on the monthly time frame is not particularly good. However, I was already analyzing this one earlier of the charts of the recordings, and I pointed I spotted the opportunity on the more like it's going to be a semi-swing rather than a swing trade, and I will be discussing when I'm going to drill down to the shorter time frame. Meanwhile, guys, don't forget to smash the like on this video. I do appreciate your support. As well as if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe. I upload new videos every single week, and also you can join our Discord channel, which is free of charge. So in terms of the monthly time frame, as I said, it's not really much going on. Price is struggling on the higher time frames, and we still have this trend line in play, looking like that the prices maybe is gonna make its way up to this trend line, but it's still it's quite early to say it. And we still have another trend line which is coming from this one. Yeah, it looks like it tested it, but it does not really looking that good. So let's go to the weekly time frame. It's gonna get a bit of a clearer picture. Okay, on a weekly time frame, this is the same trend line. Oops, excuse my drawing. So this is the same trend line. We have also a lower trend line. It looks better on a daily time frame. So we have this this trend line. So the price already came up, tested it, which is also the same level as. No, it has already broken this highs. Yeah, it looks like the price when it took out in here, price took out these highs as well as these highs, but it came up again and it went further up. This is a question of if the price is gonna break this upper trend line or not. That's a different story. However, for the semi-swing, let's go. Semi-swing is basically something like, which might take a couple of days to get to the profit targets, is what I call this semi-swing, which is swings generally a longer one, where I call a swing, it can take a week or two or even more. Okay, so on a daily time frame, I see the potential for this to go, looks like it wants to go higher. At least the good area to hold the position or the target would be somewhere like around these highs up here, somewhere on this level. Let's go somewhere around here, 138, roughly about 70, which is a good few hundred pips away. So that's why I'm eyeing on the British pound, Japanese yen. Looks like the price made this nice way up. It tested this trend line and came down to test this lower trend line. Now we're gonna see how it's gonna go about for the following week, and if I'm gonna see a nice strength coming in and the price is gonna look like more likely that it's gonna break this area, then I'll be definitely taking the trade. The first target is gonna be up to this level, and this is a British pound, Japanese yen. If you don't know this currency and you don't trade this particular pair, this currency has a very wide pip range, so it does move a lot. It can move a good few hundred pips a day. So this is could be one of my favorite currency pairs because it does move a lot and it can get very nice pips out of it. So this is more like in a waiting game. Euro dollar looking much better in terms of the setup than British pounds, Japanese yen, but I do see a potential for the for this pair as well. So it's gonna be a waiting and hunting. So wait before you pull the trigger. Again, if I take the trade, I will be mentioning on my Discord channel. Before you click off, make sure to smash the like on this video. I do appreciate your support, as well as if you're new to the channel, smash this subscribe. I upload new videos every single week. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video.